it starts. One thing that I should mention about this car is that as soon as you release the foot of the accelerator, it starts to brake, the regenerative braking. See, I've got it set at adaptive, so as soon as you release, depending on where you are, it will regenerate more or less power, which I think is really cool. So I'm just going to drive it around, take it on the motorway, and yeah, then drive it back again. So hopefully you have fun watching it. Such a peaceful experience. Usually I've got Apple CarPlay, but obviously my phone is recording, so I can't use it right now. I keep it in drive, just because it's easier. You can also put it into neutral here and reverse. But if I put it into reverse, people will panic behind me. And this is the handbrake. And yeah, it's just the most smooth, beautiful car to drive. So if you're thinking of buying it, I would definitely recommend it. I'm not going to floor it on the motorway, but I will accelerate. Probably just put my foot down, maybe halfway or just under halfway, just to show you 0 to 60 in, I can't remember what it is, 7 seconds or something like that. It's more than enough. So just get onto the road, put your foot down a little bit, and it just goes. Figured out the wipers yet. They might be automatic, they might not be. I still need to. So far they've been manual. I don't know if there's a button somewhere for automatic, but it doesn't bother me too much. Also the lane assist. So if you're not in your lane, you can see it automatically corrects. Well, with the indicator it doesn't, but without the indicator it corrects to make sure you stay in your lane. I've used 1%, so I went from 100 to 99. The claimed range is 270 miles for a long range 62 kilowatt hour battery. I think in reality you'll still get over 200, so it's a very efficient car. As long as you drive it sensibly, it will be an easy transition to an electric car from any petrol. This is the glove compartment. You just press a button here. The air vents are all very modern and very cool. The screen is just beautiful. I think it's very it can be a bit distracting trying to click on stuff when driving, but as long as you set everything beforehand, you'll be good to go. It's actually a bit cold, so I'm going to switch this off. Without this, you should be able to hear the peacefulness of the drive much better. Okay, let's go. haven't driven it today, so we're still at 99%. Once I drive it a bit more, I might try to take it from 100 down to about 20% in mixed driving, and we see how many miles we can get. But I think it's going to be very good. I think we get 200 miles or something along those lines, as long as we drive well. Alright, so we're going to turn, drive back, and then that'll be it. So this is not a POV video, this is more of a sort of passenger seat view, but it gives you a good idea how it feels, how it drives. And then I'll do another one where I'll stick the camera on my forehead and I'll give you the full experience of what a POV might look like. To overtake the bus somewhere, and I'll put the foot down a bit for that, just for you to feel the acceleration. There we go. Ready? So as you've seen, that was one little touch on the accelerator pedal and it just launches like a rocket. So the new ones with 3-4 second acceleration, I don't even know how you can drive them. I think this has got more than enough power. Okay, now we go back, we park, and I'm going to post this video. I did this drive just to record, so I hope it shows you what this car is like. I haven't been talking that much, so you can hear all the noises in the car and get the real feel. But I will do more videos on the review, range test, etc. So look out for those ones. This one doesn't have a camera, it's just got the sensors, but it's a hatchback, so you don't really need a camera. It's more than enough. And then once you finish, just press park, release the brake, take off the seat belt, and that's you. That's how amazing and effortless it is. And then you come out. I'll show you around the car once again. Look at this beauty. Look at the front of it. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. And then let's take the key. I think it locks itself, and you can also unlock it itself, but you take the key to this, and that's you finished.